In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to QuickBooks Invoice templates. If you want your invoices to include extra details like a purchase order number, a project name, or a sales rep field, QuickBooks makes that possible with custom fields. This is especially useful when you need to track information internally and, if needed, display it directly on the invoice your customer receives. I'll walk you through the setup process clearly so you can follow along inside your QuickBooks account. First, begin by creating the custom field itself. Go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. From there, select Custom Fields. On that page, click Add Custom Field, which may also appear as Add Field depending on your version. Now give your field a name. This should match the type of information you want to collect on invoices, such as sales rep, PO number, or project name. After naming it, choose the correct data type. You'll typically see options like text and number, number only, date, or drop-down list. Pick the one that best fits the information you want users to enter. For example, a PO number may work well as text and number, while a project deadline could use the date format. Next, make sure the category is set to transaction. This part is important because it links the field directly to your sales forms, including invoices. If you want the custom field to actually appear on the customer-facing invoice, check the box labeled Print on Form. If you leave that unchecked, the field can still be used for internal tracking, but it won't be visible to the customer. Once everything looks right, click Save. After the custom field has been created, the next step is adding it to your invoice template. Click the New button and select Invoice. If your QuickBooks account is using the modern invoice experience, go to the Invoice Creation screen and click Manage using the gear icon there. Then open Customization, select Manage Custom Fields and turn on the field you just created. This makes it available on the invoice form. If you're using the older form style instead, the process is a little different. Open the Settings menu from the navigation bar and select Custom Form Styles. Find your default invoice template and click Edit. Then go to the Content tab, click the top section, which is the header area, and choose Manage Custom Fields to add the field to that template. Once that's done, your custom field will be ready to use on invoices. Just make sure to test it by opening an invoice and confirming the field appears the way you expect.